Today, I'm gonna be playing against the chess.com bot, Martin. So, let's get started. Let's see how fast I can crush him in how many moves. Okay, this bot is very dumb. So he is aiming on my knight. So just up here. Okay. Now I can just go over here and be back. So let's just trade pieces because we're winning. Okay. Martin is supposedly the worst chess bot in chess.com. So let me just get my queen out. Let's get a queen. Hmm. So I think I'll checkmate him in the next like 5 moves. Oh wait, I didn't see that. That's okay. I am still winning. Hmm. This bot is kind of strong. Whenever I played him, I won in 18 moves or less. But he's fighting this time. Okay. So let's promote our other pawn. Okay. Just do this guy. Yep, I beat him in 43 moves. So that was it. Bye. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.